Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in fillable PDF forms using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you're creating forms that need automatic calculations like invoices, expense reports, or any document where you need percentages worked out instantly without manual math. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to edit. Make sure this is the PDF where you want to add your fillable fields and percentage calculations. If you don't see it in recent files, you can always browse to find it on your computer. Now, in the upper left corner of your screen, click on All Tools. This opens up the complete toolkit that Adobe Acrobat Pro offers. In the left sidebar that appears, click on View More to expand all available options. You'll see quite a few tools here, but what we're looking for is Prepare a Form. Go ahead and click on it. If this is your first time using Prepare a Form, you might see an option that says Create Form instead, so just click that with the form preparation mode. Now active, look over to the left panel where you'll find various field options. Click on Text Field. This is what we'll use to create the areas where users can input numbers and where our percentage calculation will display. Place 3 text fields on your PDF wherever you need them. These could represent, for example, a total amount, a percentage rate, and the calculated result. Next, in the left toolbar, click the Select Text button. This allows you to interact with the fields you just created. Now we need to name each field so our formula knows which numbers to use. Right-click on the first text field, then navigate to General. In the Name field, type something like Text Field 1, then click Close. This naming step is crucial because the formula will reference these exact names. Repeat this process for the second text field. Right-click on it, go to General, and type Text Field 2 in the Name field, then click Close. Do the same for the third text field, naming it Text Field 3 and clicking Close. Having clear, simple names makes it much easier to write your formula correctly. Now comes the calculation part. Right-click on the destination text field, the one where you want the percentage result to appear, and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Calculate tab. This is where all the magic happens for automatic calculations. Click the circle beside Simplified Field Notation, which allows you to write straightforward mathematical formulas. Next, click the Edit button beside it. In the text field that appears, type your formula. For a percentage calculation, you might enter something like Text Field 1 asterisk Text Field 2/100. This multiplies the first field by the second and divides by 100 to give you the percentage. Make sure you use the exact text field names you created earlier. Once you've entered your formula, click OK, then click Close to exit the Properties window. Before saving, let's test if everything works correctly. In the bottom left, click Preview. This switches your form into user mode. Go ahead and type numbers into the text fields to test your calculation. You should see the result appear automatically in your destination field. If something doesn't look right, you can always exit Preview and adjust your formula. Once you're satisfied with how it's working, click Exit Preview in the upper right. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right to preserve all your changes. Your fillable PDF now has working percentage calculations that will automatically update whenever someone enters new numbers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.